Hi, Jeannie Conant-Kramer here. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about how to change the values of your pigments. This way you don't need to have a million different colors in your pastel box. So all you need is the pastel stick of the color that you want to use and some white. So let's take a look. Okay, so I'm using a piece of UArt. I believe it's 400. I've just taken a random color from my box. I'm going to add it so that we can see, and then I'll just blend it a little bit with my dirty blending sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to the next little square. I'm not going to put quite as much. I'm going to then go in and take my white, which I need to clean, and pass it over that, and you can see that it's getting lighter already, right? So we'll do another, go a little lighter, and then I'm going to go even lighter here. And then we can see that by passing the white over, it's going to lighten it up. The more you put, the lighter it's going to get. So the less of your base pigment and the more white you add, you will get lighter and lighter values. Let's go with this purple. Let's try that. Let's see what we have here. I'll keep it fairly heavy. And I'm not going to blend this time. Let's see what happens. We're just going to go a little bit lighter and a little bit lighter and a little bit lighter. Let's see. There we go. So let's take our white and we'll just kind of pass it through. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. And then finally, there we go. And we can blend these out or not, depending on what you're going for in your drawing, in your painting. Okay, and blend it out a little bit. We can add some more white. Okay, so you can get progressively lighter by adding more and more white to your pigments. So if you'd like to dive a little bit deeper into color, get my Pastels for Beginners online course. The link is down below in the comments. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.